Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today is a Banyu Pinaruh day in Bali, and in my hometown in Gianyar we have a tradition that the meal we eat on that day, and for the offering we do the steamed yellow rice. So today I'm going to show you how to make steamed yellow rice. So for this recipe we need 2 cups of fluffy white rice, 3 cups of coconut milk, and also I'm going to use 3 garlic cloves, 4 grams of ginger, 10 grams of turmeric, 1 lemongrass stalk, 1 salam leaf, and some salt. So let's make it. First thing I'm going to do is preparing the paste. So we put everything together. So I'm going to blend the garlic, ginger and turmeric and added a little bit of coconut milk. It's done. And now we're going to add the rice. I'm using the rice cooker to make this steamed yellow rice. This rice I washed already earlier and add the coconut milk. And now I'm going to add the paste. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And we need to brush the lemongrass. And add the salam leaf. Give a little stir. So now we're going to steam the rice until the rice is cooked. The rice is cooked, like you can see here, and I will give a little stir. And I'm going to let it rest for another 10 minutes. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Bye-bye. Now the steamed yellow rice is completely ready. Like you can see here, they get little drier and more fluffier. And I'm going to serve this yellow rice with some steamed bitter melon, shredded egg, brown coconut, apple aubergine sambal mata, sweet tempeh, stir-fry prawn with sweet and spicy sambal, cucumber, and ginger flower, or we call it kecicang. So let's do it. First thing, I'm going to put the steamed yellow rice into this bowl. And I'm going to add shredded egg, sweet tempeh, bitter melon, brown coconut, apple aubergine sambal mata, cucumber, and the last one is stir-fry prawn with spicy and sweet sambal. Slice of ginger flower, or in Bali we call it kecicang. Here we yeah, Balinese steamed yellow rice. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.